And this is how you peel your prawns. Break the head off first, like this. Use your thumb and remove the shell, like this. See? Like this. Use your nails if you have. Peel it. Sometimes a recipe calls for the tail to be left on, then you leave the tail on. I'll do another one to show you without the tail. Head off. Use your thumb at the bottom here. Peel it. And this one, I'm going to remove the tail. There you have it. Without the tail, with the tail. Now what do you do with the head and the shell? Don't throw it away. Keep it, freeze it. Use it for when the time comes for you to use it to make a prawn stock. They make delicious prawn stock. Once you've removed the shells, which are, like I said, can be used for making a stock. If you don't need to make the stock on the day itself, freeze it. Now, how to remove the vein from the prawns? Take a knife, just put a cut like this. You get this, take it out and throw it away. Don't use this to make the stock, just throw that away. Again, one more time. Cut it like this. When you see it, pull it out. See, it comes out. If the whole thing doesn't come out, then you just do another cut somewhere to get it out. If let's say the whole thing's not, see this one. Yeah, that's it. Comes out. Throw that away. And that's how you peel and clean your prawns. And of course, wash it after this.